Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Uh, I'm really delighted to present you how Cambodian produce a financial report for service delivery, actually. For my content here, I have only 3 topics to discuss. The first one is about the budget settlement law in Cambodia. And the second one, the citizen budget for the budget settlement law that we produce for the public. And the last one is financial statement. So the reason that why I start with the budget settlement law is in Cambodia, first we don't have, we call a financial statement according to the IPSAS basis or something like that. But we produced the budget settlement law from 1990 or something like this. And this is the data that we produce from the, data of income and expense, and some other financial information. We based on the financial law, I mean the annual financial law that we have planned from the beginning of the year. So this is just, we can call the final accounts of each data. In budget settlement law, we produce based on budgetary basis. So it based on cash in, cash out or something like that. And maybe from 2026, we will consider to add performance to our budget settlement law. And this is already, stated in our public finance system law of Cambodia. The data that we show in our budget settlement law, we show the actual figure of the revenue and expenditure in comparison to the budget appropriation. And what you will see, the data of revenue we will show, we will break down by category, by chapter, and by account, sub-account, and it will deep down to, by ministry too, and some institution, and in the sub-national level, you will see by capital or province. For the data of expenditure, we will show something like the revenue, but for the expenditure, we will show by program too here. You will see the program budgeting that we prepare in the budget appropriation. And as I told you earlier, performance information of the budget execution will be added to the budget settlement law by 2026. Yeah. And it will show by line ministry because they already have a program structure like the policy, the indicator for each program and sub-program, something like that. So, and other related financial and non-financial information. So this is just like the table that we produce in our budget settlement law. And I just give an example of expenditure table. We show the, the budget plan, but as our colleague here asked our previous presenter about, why don't we show only the final, budget appropriation? Why we show the original one? But in Cambodia, we show only the original. The final budget appropriation. We don't show the original budget. And this is the actual figure. And the last one is about compared to the final budget appropriation. So this is how the budget settlement law in Cambodia show. And based on this, in this slide, I just want to compare how budget settlement law in Cambodia to the IPSAS 24 standard. So for Cambodia, I think we produce based on budgetary basis. Yes, it's look like in IPSAS 24, and we show budget amount and actual amount and the difference. So this is also can compare to IPSAS 24. But for the explanation, in Cambodia, I think we don't have a full explanation how the difference between the actual figure with the budget appropriation. But yeah, it's a requirement in IPSAS 24, but I hope in the near future we will consider to add more than. In Cambodia, in the public finance system law, we indicate 3 types of public accounting. We have budgetary accounting, we have general accounting that use accrual basis, and we also consider the cost accounting. I think cost accounting will be do all these things. Yeah, it will analyze how the variance of the actual budget with the budget appropriation. Next topic is about the citizen budget that we want to show to the public. As you know, budget settlement law is too technical for the public to understand. So that's why we consider to produce the budget settlement law in a citizen format. And we hope that the public can understand all the figure that we show in budget settlement law. And this is also can improve the budget transparency score for Cambodia. Yeah. For the basis of preparation, we use the figure that from adopted budget settlement law. After the parliament adopt this law, we take it and produce in a creative way, in a simple way that can, the public can understandable. It's simpler and less technical version. And this is just like, I just give an example how we show to the public. This is the current budget by type of expenditure. We have personal costs, operational costs, finance costs, transfer, other expense or something like that. For the time of publishing, it's just within 1 week after the adaptation of budget settlement law. And because of this, we hope that our budget transparency in the open budget survey will increase. In 2023, we got 43, and we hope it will increase to 48 score in that one. The last topic is about financial statement. We start just in 2000, if I'm not wrong, maybe in 2018. Recently, we produced the financial statement based on the IPSAS standard. And we have a Cambodian public sector accounting standard for our guidance to produce this accounting, this financial statement. And this is the latest one that you can find, and we will publish it soon, maybe in December 2025. Based on the Cambodian public sector accounting standard, we produce a statement of cash flow, yes, based on cash basis. And we also have a statement of cash receipt and payment. In the Cambodian accounting standard, we use accrual basis. But before we move to accrual basis, we need to adapt the cash basis first in here. And then from 2025, I mean, the financial report of 2025 will move to accrual, to modify cash. And then we will move to modify accrual and a full accrual by 2031. Yeah, 2031, because we have a strategy to move to the full accrual. And some statement of comparison of budget and actual amount. We have budget income and budget expenditure. And the last one is the note to financial statement. This is what we have produced previously. So within this, I think I just want to share all of you how Cambodian work on the financial statement as well as the performance report for the public in Cambodia. Thank you so much.